tropical storm, so that causes a problem, I think, in the atmosphere. And so, also talks about some kind of